Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. It's that time again. It's time for Soul Food Sunday. Today, I'll be collaborating with Smoking and Grilling with AB. So after watching this video, head on over to Smoking and Grilling with AB to see what he's cooking up this Soul Food Sunday. I'll leave a link to his channel in the description below. Today, I'll be making fried red snapper. You will need 1.5 pounds of red snapper, 1 cup of cornmeal, 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of hot sauce, 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 3 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of salt, and canola oil for frying. Make sure your fish has been descaled, gutted, and cleaned. Now set it aside until later. Add your eggs and hot sauce to a dish, then whisk until well combined. In a separate dish, combine the cornmeal and flour. Add the garlic powder and onion powder. Now add the cayenne pepper and paprika. Add the salt and pepper, then mix until well combined. Dredge the fish in the egg wash, then the cornmeal mixture, then place on a wire rack. Using medium-high heat, bring your oil to 350 degrees. Now fry your fish for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, remove it from the oil, and then it is ready to serve. Don't forget to head on over to Smoking and Grilling with AB to see what he's cooking up this Soul Food Sunday. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
To grasp how to make great food with Steph's Navy.